or welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, feel at home. So guys, today me and my baby, come and sit this other side. We have decided that we're gonna be making for you guys a Christmas tree. See, apparently it is Christmas. You have not been trying to make any tree. Maybe we have been using the natural tree, which easily fades away. So it means that the Christmas season, haiko, you just wait for the Christmas day because it dries up, because we're talking about a tree. So today we thought, what can we do? We want to try and make a Christmas tree. So guys, these are the things that we are going to use. No, let it just be there. Why are you hiding it? These are the things that we are going to use. We are going to use, this is wool, these are flowers, graduation flowers, and then we have this this tree. Sorry mommy. So guys, let us get on job because we don't want our video to be too long. We hope you enjoy this. So first we are going to start by tying the tree. Pick it. So what are you not doing? Anything? You're doing something. Yes. Chukua ndo kunywa. So we are going to this one. Where are we using it? We are using it to make a stand. So first of all, we're gonna be arranging this one, and then maybe you are not seeing well. Can you do this, Joy? Evie, 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 Evie. We want to tie this tree. These three tree, you can have it. You can also try it. You see the outcome. This is what we're gonna be giving you guys. So we want to make it to be so tight. So you see, after I tied the tree, I decided to cut it. Just cut it. Oh, it's not the other one. So this is what we are going to get after.
These are carbon skin.
Yes. So I think this one is too tall, or what happens? No, it's combo.
This one's combo.
No. Oh, you are the one. Remove the leg. So that is what we are having as at now. And then now, you see that we are going to have this. Yeah. So cheap. So this is what we're gonna be doing. This one is not necessary. It is just for formality. And then you wrap like that. Get hold of that. We go in. So guys, we had bought the Christmas flowers, the
ones that
graduation flowers, but we picked the dark green one. That is what the theme that I really wanted. I never wanted that one that is so bright because sitaki kushtuka usiku. This one is not stable. Give me the scissors. So this is what I'm having right now. Guys, you see now my tree is that way. And then now these are my flowers. I'm going to start in with this one is dark green with bright color there. And then I have this one. So first of all, I'm gonna be starting with this one because I feel this one is just awesome. So I think I'm gonna be doing this like that. And then we go through like that, like that, like that. Mhm. Wait. Somebody. Hold this one, family. You hold it, family. That is why you are here. Uh-huh. I continue with my trick. What? All that hard work into nothing. So guys, we continue. Make sure that you have a bigger volume because I've realized that mine are not having a bigger volume. So I'm gonna be adding some more flowers, but this is what I'm getting after that. This is what I'm gonna be getting. Sorry for interruption, guys. So this one is my tree. This is my Christmas tree. Guys, how does it look? I thought it looks nice. This is the Christmas part that we are now having. So let us get to the next part. That is our Christmas tree. That is how it is. But we're going to be adding some more flowers so that to make sure that it is having. So the only part that you are supposed to be doing is that part whereby you just move around, but make sure that your tree is somehow tony. So can you put on the flowers and then we see how. So look at now our Christmas tree. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye bye, guys. Stay hooked in so that in the next one, you're gonna see what you're going to be making. Bye. Love you.